Deer Lake Diver presents Deep Water Windfall. Today I took my underwater drone out to explore a section of the deepest part of Deer Lake. This area is just south of the Narrows, where it opens out into the greater lake body. Boat sonar shows this area to be around 75 feet deep, but the bottom is covered with about 5 feet of really fine mud, which tricks the sonar sound waves as they penetrate through it into the gravel bottom below, indicating that the lake is deeper than it actually is. I'm never sure what I'm going to find at these depths, but I did find some interesting life forms that I thought I'd share with you today. Enjoy. Below us, 70 feet of water. Above us, a cloudy windstorm. Let's get started down. Lights on. As we move out, let me introduce you to the cast of characters. The annelids, tube worm filter feeders. This is Sabella. This is Polychaethia. This is Amphitrite. Watch him duck down in slow motion. The siphons of a buried freshwater clam. Clam siphons. I have sampled these clouds under my microscope, and they are several species of bacteria. The white and brown dots you see swimming are Daphnia, small shrimp-like crustaceans which are feeding on this bacteria. Deer Lake is very healthy and exceedingly biodiverse, even at these depths. Now that you know some of the major players down here, let's go take a look at that deep water windfall. Life down here is exceedingly difficult. The temperature is just above freezing, and there's no light to support a food chain. Finding food is hard, so when something as nutritious as a dead fish falls down from above, many species of animals congregate and set up camp nearby. Without any large scavengers at this low oxygen, cold, dark environment, these fallen fish can last for many months, producing a windfall for many generations of small life forms. Watch close. This looks like the remains of a large Mackinaw. Watch this giant colony of red tubifex worms feasting and living under these fish remains disappear underground as we approach. But I have no idea what this large translucent blob is. Let's make one more slow motion pass over this place before we leave. As always, thank you for joining me on this windfall adventure in the deepest part of our lake. Stay tuned for the next episode, and until then, stay safe. Produced by the Deer Lake Diver, 6/21/2025.